Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a glitch on the application of Glue. You will go to settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Glue and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.